Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 8-inch special Android 10 system head unit for Vauxhall, Opel, Insignia, Buick, Regal 2013 to 2017 years. Okay, let me show the harness. You can check it. Will come with canvas box and the special connector plug and play. Okay, it comes with special this dash kit. Okay, you can check this front UI interface. This volume control, this knob, and milk navy. It's built in Google Maps. Okay, it's built in Wi-Fi. It's built in microphone, IR. All apps are here. This is DSP amplifier, easy connection. It's OnStar. Original vehicle information. Z-Link, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay wireless. You can check. So wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Built-in YouTube. This is vehicle information. And built-in Play Store, you can download the applications from Play Store. Okay, you can check Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. You can choose Opel. This theme editor. You can change any color with green, blue, red, any color you can adjust this panel. Okay. Firstly, let me introduce Bluetooth. Pin number 40. Okay, this is my phone, and you can enable Bluetooth from your phone and search the device. Click pair, connecting Galaxy 401234. Click OK. You can close all apps. One, two, three, four. Okay, connected. You can make phone call. Okay, it works. You can stream music from your phone. Okay, it works with streaming music from your phone. And here are two USB cable. You can connect USB. USB flash device. Okay, it will play music automatically. Okay, this amplifier, DSP amplifier. Okay, let me show the video. Video disabled for your safety, so you need to set it in the settings. Let me check the setting. It's built-in Wi-Fi, already connected Wi-Fi, and about machine PX6 chip, and Android 10 version, Android 10 system. Okay, and check the car settings. Driver settings. Turn on the watch video. Watch video you can turn on. It's 4K video. Okay, this Z-Link app for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Thank you.